Good afternoon, Dan Wood with Northern Sun Mercantile. I just wanted to do an update. Our garden barn is now open. For those of you that didn't follow the build, I'll have that linked right up top. Built it starting in November, built it through the winter, and we're just open. This is our second day. Tomorrow is Mother's Day. This is a big weekend, Mother's Day weekend. Come on inside and take a look at what we have. Now with the building itself, I added this pergola on the front. Eventually it will have a roof on it. For now we're just going to be hanging plants from the rafters for the summer, and by the fall it'll have a clear panel roof, same as the main building does. Most of the battens are installed at this point. I will have a video on that coming out, installing the battens, and I'll be building doors for the front. All I've got left now is just the two gable ends up in the peak. And the back side is all done, soffits are in. I will be staining this with eco wood, same as our main building, so it'll weather naturally. We'll be building sliding doors. There'll be a sliding door here for the man door, and two sliding doors on the front for the large openings. Now half of the space up top is loft space for storage, and the front half is open to let light in through the clear plastic panels. As you can see, we've got lots of hanging baskets in here and all these gorgeous flowers ready to sell. Well, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you for following along. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Our summer is off to the start now with the opening of this barn and the garden center. We've got a lot planned for the summer. We've got 4 batches of broiler chickens going right now, so there'll be videos on various things to do with those. All of our layer pullets are out in the field now. We've got 225 laying hens out there. Be all sorts of videos related to that heading through the summer. And of course the honeybees. Got one colony of honeybees that made it through, and I'll be splitting those and doing videos on that stuff. So if you enjoy that type of content, again, give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing, and have a great day.